look like this, and bubbles that look like this. The most important thing is to have some practice and learn. I hope you have a happy Christmas. Okay, thumbs up, let's get started. And this is special black paper with colour underneath that you will need, and you will need this that comes with it to scrape it, and we need a cookie cutter to make the shape, and then we just carve around it. You see, carving. Now we're going to do the face. I've already started by making the eye. And then we're going to draw the mouth. Then you have to decorate it. One question. I wonder why, give a comment below if you know why snowmen and gingerbread both have buttons.
That was a good question.
Guys, do you want to hear my snowman joke that I got from my cracker from my Christmas lunch? What do you call an old snowman? Water. Now I just have to draw the hair. Easy. Done. This is how you make a colourful gingerbread man. That you can do all different kinds of designs. I've made 3. Now let's make some bubbles. If you want to make these with your kids, buy the black paper and the wooden bulbs down below. Okay, now since we've done our gingerbread man, let's make the Christmas tree bubbles. And at the end of the video, we're gonna make some background for our gingerbread man. First we need some blank Christmas tree bubbles. Now let's get started with colouring. First you need orange for the top bit. So now I'm decorating our Christmas tree bubbles with my banana smelling cute banana face. I'm doing zigzags. Now I'm going to do a pattern with dots, a different colour. You can make any design you want, and the most important thing, to practice, have fun and learn. I'm going to do yellow again if you want to know what colour I'm doing next, because I'm doing a pattern with shape and colour. Now I'm going to use my red.
Hey, what's going on?
You forgot I'm taking over your YouTube channel for this Christmas, remember?
Can I help?
The only way to help is for you to wear a Santa hat, and then you can do another bubble.
Do I have to wear the Santa hat?
Yeah, you have to. Let's finish this video!
Let's finish this video. I wasn't going to do a Christmas video, but this little one insisted that we had to do a Christmas video.
Okay, right now we are tying the string to the Christmas tree bubbles, because we are going to hang these on our tree. That's how we make Christmas tree decorations and gingerbread man with the backgrounds. We hope you enjoyed it, but we have to put them on the Christmas tree now. So we'll see you there. My friend here helped me put it up here. Foxy. That's his name.
Just be careful.